All right, natural gas continues its ascent before reaching some support and just below potential support zone. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNS, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for natural gas. So we have a continuation of this rally here with a new high of 440, just below the 78.6% retracement at 441 and the 161.8% projection for this large ABCD pattern, which I just put on here today. I talked about the target yesterday, but I didn't have it drawn on here and eliminated that smaller one, which already exceeded its target. So this is the larger target, 161.8% harmonic, along with the 78.6% retracement, almost reached tonight and then backed off. So we have a continuation with higher highs and higher daily lows, but there is sign of exhaustion seen in the pullback, but also seen in the extension of this rising parallel trend channel. This is 150% of this channel added on to the top, and it's finding resistance, it looks like, around that area because it's about to close the session somewhere around that zone. Um, Today's low. So if we go higher, we can hit this 161.8% target possibly, or do more testing of resistance up in this zone, or we pull back and test 415, may not hold, but today's low in the 415 is near-term support. Today's low is 418 to 415. That's near-term support, and you can see this high here from last Friday is also confirming that price level. So this price level here is the first area, but a minimum retracement down to the 38.2% retracement at 3.94 would also not be a surprise, and testing of the top of the original channel that has these two black lines here. If weakness continues, then we're looking at the 50% retracement down here at 380 and somewhere around this zone here at this low 375 or so. Actually, maybe this should be up here. And then the 61.8% retracement down here at 366. So we'll have to see what happens next to get some better insights into what might happen next. All right, that is it for now. Have a great week.